Graco strives to be the highest quality manufacturer of fluid handling products, spanning across several commercial and industrial markets worldwide.
So Graco is a manufacturer of fluid management products, of a wide range of products. We manufacture anything from food transfer to chemical treatment plants to automotive to construction and residential. So we have a wide range of customers around the world.
Graco began their journey to global greatness back in the 1920s when two brothers invented an air-powered lubrication system mainly for the automotive industry. Through strategic acquisitions, careful management, and a keen eye on maintaining manufacturing excellence, Graco has grown to a multi-billion-dollar powerhouse.
So my role is a manufacturing engineer. My primary responsibilities is supporting the manufacturing process.
Several years ago, the manufacturing leaders at Graco uncovered a distinct difference between the performance levels of the CAM softwares they were using.
We have a lot of piece parts. Everything that Graco makes is machined in-house. So you can imagine the number of machines and piece parts that we have. High tolerance parts. There's very little room for error, especially if you think of a chemical treatment plant and you build something that leaks. You know, that's a huge liability, not just to the company, but also to the environment. So we machine super tight tolerance parts, and we do it well.
Once they saw what Mastercam had to offer in terms of capability, flexibility, and overall performance, the shift to using Mastercam on a more global scale became a strong and strategic objective. The good people at Graco also know that great CAM software requires a dedicated and knowledgeable technical support team backing you up.
We design our own fixturing and build our own fixturing, so it's a lot of complicated fixturing, and the support team at ProtoTek has been very helpful and very responsive. We usually get a response within a couple of hours.
Mastercam is consistently growing in capability with a strong attention to user need and desire.
We always keep going back to Mastercam for the reasons that I mentioned. Great technical support. It's a software that's getting more and more user-friendly. It's real sophisticated software, but the way that they build it is you can get trained and easily navigate it.
Mastercam users want that steady road to greater understanding and knowledge in order to perform at higher levels. How do they do it? With professional Mastercam training classes offered by Mastercam's #1 dealer in customer retention worldwide, a company called ProtoTek. That's how Graco does it. Graco found they can save over 50% of machining time alone just by using Mastercam's unified finishing programming.
We would like to unify our programming into Mastercam and have all of our tool libraries, fixture libraries, work setup instructions, all that into one unified system, and I think that would help a lot with our machinists and making the job easier for them, and also our support staff through ProtoBuild when we're working on fixturing or making improvements on our programs. I think it'll be a more streamlined process if we expand that usage.
Mastercam has made a strong enough impression at Graco that they are now in the process of outfitting most all workstations exclusively with the power provided by Mastercam. And there you have it, another edition of our Profiles in Manufacturing Excellence video series, all about a match made in manufacturing heaven. Graco and Mastercam, supported and trained by ProtoTek. It works for Graco. Mastercam is the better choice. It's a competitive world out there. Great manufacturers know if they can program their equipment to make better parts faster and never be outmachined, they hold the advantage by enhancing quality while reducing costs. Are you interested in stepping up to a new and more certain road to greatness? Feel free to contact ProtoTek and set up a personalized Mastercam demonstration just for you. Thanks for watching.